You see, the worst thing that the church could have done, and many churches do this, they don't want to stand in his authority. They say that the devil doesn't exist. Big lie that the enemy has created so that people will go, the enemy doesn't exist, so we don't have to step out in authority. Or this statement that I've had debates with people where they say, if you leave the devil alone, he will leave you alone. Rubbish. Is that true? Not a chance. If you're a child of God, he wants to distract you and move you away from the things of God. Whatever it comes in, whatever shape or form, but the enemy's going to try and distract you. And the enemy's going to try and, if he can't make you sin, he'll make you busy. You heard that one? Because busyness these days is worn like a badge. I'm busy, but I'm doing nothing. I'm busy and I'm tired. Follows on top of that. Are we busy for the things of God? So the spiritual warfare is real. The church is in a spiritual battle.